Hi guys, if you watch my daily good morning videos, I do a little section where I check the soil battery, the tea bag battery, whatever the snowman's running on, the witch is running on some cheese that's steadily going interesting, flowers running on cheese. But the important thing for me at the moment was several weeks back, we noticed there was some tiny leaves in the corner of the soil battery, and that has been steadily growing ever since, which surprised me a bit because we got copper electrodes in there, and I thought plants didn't like copper. So I thought I'd let it grow and see how it grows. Now the leaves do look a bit wrinkly, so that might be a problem with the copper, or it might just be a fact that it's an outdoor plant being kept indoors in a very hot environment in the conservatory here. Anyway, I will show you a little sort of time-lapsey type thing where I've put together all the good morning videos, or at least the section that shows this, so we can see it growing. But it's the 29th of June today, and we are off on a 2-week holiday. So I don't expect this thing to survive while we're gone. I'll give it a good drink of water to try and keep it damp, but there's every chance that when we come back in 2 weeks' time, it'll be dead, which is a shame. And it even looks like it's just about to develop the flowers, and it would have been nice to see what the flowers were. I'll just go close up on that. That does look like that's just about to develop flowers. So it would have been nice to see them, but I don't think we will. I won't edit this video for a couple of weeks. I'll wait till we come back, and if there's a chance of it still being there, surviving, I'll add that to the video. If not, this is the last we see of it. Got something growing in my soil battery. Soil battery. Soil battery. Soil battery. Soil battery. Soil battery. Soil clock. Soil clock's okay. Soil battery. Tea bag clock and soil clock both working. Soil clock. Soil clock. Soil clock. Soil clock. Tea bag clock, 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 soil clock, happy cat. Tea bag clock, soil clock, happy cat. Tea bag clock working, soil clock working, cat not working. Tea bag clock, soil clock. 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 Soil clock. Soil clock. Soil battery's okay. Soil clock's okay. Soil battery's fine. Soil clock's working. Soil clock's working. Soil clock working. Soil clock. Well, we're back from holiday. Cheese Witch is still running off the mouldy cheese. That one, flour has stopped. Oh, I can see why. That's been eaten away completely. Amazingly enough, the tea bag clock is still running. I find that hard to believe, looking at how dried out it is. And clearly the soil clock has died and the weed has died. So a bit more water in that will get the clock running again, but it won't recover the weed. And he's still just running on that battery. So, yeah. There we go. Need to mow the lawn. But everything back as normal. It's Wednesday today. We came home on Sunday. I haven't done the video yet for this battery, but I've just realised that weed had actually gone to flower. So we've actually got the seeds for the weed there. So it managed its life cycle even though it died. And we've also got another weed growing. Looks like a piece of grass. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.